Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates, and I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMIMIZ YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be discussing the possibilities from this weekend for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So without any waste, let's jump in. The first news we have today is from Grayscale. Grayscale Premium, as we know, is one of the biggest crypto trusts that does investment in United States. Grayscale finds that over 25% of US households surveyed currently now own Bitcoin. The launch of a Bitcoin ETF played a pivotal role in the rise of BTC adoption. So ये बताना चाह रहे हैं Bitcoin almost हर घर में खरीद लिया गया है अमेरिका के अंदर स्पेशली, और ये अडॉप्शन इंक्रीज हो गई एवर सिंस बिटकॉइन की ETFs लॉन्च की गई बाय अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट, मेकिंग द बैंक एज अ कस्टोडियन और डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस. इससे हमें पता चलता है दैट बिटकॉइंस अडॉप्शन हैज बीन इंक्रीजिंग रैपिडली एंड दिस कुड बी अ ग्रेट साइन टू हैव on all-time active addresses on Bitcoin as well, which can bring the Bitcoin's price higher to another new all-time high. The second news we have today is something that we had been worrying about for a few days now. Solana reportedly hit by DDoS attack, but network remains online. The Solana blockchain has reportedly suffered another DDoS attack that temporarily clogged the network. However, the network appeared to remain online. We had a similar situation like this just a few months ago, and now we're experiencing the same situation on Solana's blockchain. A lot of people argued with me when we do our Saturday NFT show that why do you talk about Ethereum so much and so little about Solana? And I kept telling them that Solana's blockchain is very critical, it's very weak, and it's not capable of taking so much workload right now. And we keep experiencing that because they are not doing any scalability, they're not making the blockchain any much more securities strong, in scenarios like that. So this is the reason that their blockchain in the last 2 to 3 months, this is the second time it's been hit by an attack, and this shows the Solana's blockchain isn't as strong as Ethereum's blockchain that I've been arguing with people for several times now, and I'm really tired of arguing about this. तो जो Solana की blockchain है वो बहुत कमज़ोर है, उसमें बहुत issues हैं, and it doesn't have the capability कि वो इतना सारा load manage कर सके at a time. ये दूसरी दफ़ा हो रहा है कि Solana की blockchain attack हुई है, last time crash हो गई थी. Thankfully इस बार crash नहीं हुई, it's still online, but last time it even crashed. So this is a very big concern for people who are Solana investors, and they always argue that Solana is better than Ethereum. You can clearly see that your blockchain can't take so much workload at this moment. So now we have a news from gaming. Gamerhead Ubisoft new NFT project with gets 96% dislike ratio. The top comment on Ubisoft YouTube video introducing its NFT has more likes than the actual video and slams the firm for milking money from its customers. So a lot of companies have been adopting NFTs in a very weird way, which has been trying to make money or milk money out of their customers, which the customers won't accept. Companies must remember this is a decentralized system. Whether you like it or not, people own this system and people control this system as well. So you have to satisfy your customers and you have to respect them and their views as well. The last news is from one of my favorite blockchains. That is from Avax. Avax AV Labs among startups chosen for MasterCard's crypto accelerator. The payment giant has chosen 5 companies to be part of Start Path crypto program. So this is going to be an interesting thing to see how the adoption of this happens. As we know, Avax blockchain has one of the best blockchain securities and mainstream smart contracts deployed on it. So अगर हम देखें Avax के अंदर बहुत potential है, उसकी blockchain में भी बहुत potential है. It's competing really well right now with Luna, and we can see both of them are going at par. One is trading about 60s, 70s, and the other one is trading about 80 and 100s. It would be exciting to see where Luna ends its bull run, whether it's going to be able to hit $100 or maybe go higher than that. So that's all for our news section for today. Let's see what's happening in our charts and technicals. Let's find out what's happening on our crypto greed and fear index. Are people very fearful? Yeah, log full masti mein hai. So if we see people are in extreme fear, oh no, we are at 24 again today. This shows that the market is still very undecided and we're in a very strong bull market. Oh, sorry, a bear market right now. Let's not call bull markets anymore. People will get very, very angry, and most people are very hurt as well right now. If we look at coin market cap, we can clearly see everything is gonna be mostly red because the market is still in a very big pullback, and we knew that that's gonna be happening because we broke trends already. I'm still not sure why my fellow YouTubers are still making weird charts and telling people we're in trend and we're in this and we're in that. But technically, we have broken the trend in weekly. We're only in trend in monthly, which is still far away. We are only at 10th December today. We have 21 days to go in this month, so there's a long time to go and see what's gonna be happening. It's very wrong to speculate from here because nobody knows what's gonna happen. If we look at the ones that won in 24 hours, we have IOTX 12% up, Seller is up about 6%, Nair Protocol is up 4%, and otherwise everything is sideways or in a pullback. Let's see which were the coins that are in the most pullback and correction right now. तो हमारे पास Wax है, Wax is down 18%, Tezos is down 13%, Audio is down 11%, Cello is down 11%, and Thor Chain Rune, oh my god, Thor just keeps going down and down and down. It's like 32% down in 7 days, 11% down, QTUM is down, Stacks is down 11%, 17% in the last 7 days. The market is in a very strong pullback. If you look at Chainlink as well, Chainlink is down 23% in the last 7 days. This is very sad, but the market must go on and the show must go on. So let's see what's happening in our charts. तो अगर हम लोग charts में लेके let's jump right into our Ethereum's dominance. Ethereum की dominance को देखें तो it has beginning to come down. We are no longer at the levels we were in February, March, April, May of 2018. We are further away from that and we are falling in a trench. If we look at BTC, BTC's dominance is been totally down. We are making these cups without handles for a long time now. Hopefully we make a nice cup and handle here and have a blast off. We still need this bad boy to go to 45, 40, 43 at least for some big move to be coming into this market. If we look at others dominance has also come down. This was our fear that it shouldn't get rejected. It did get rejected from 16.22. We want to be above this line, but we are below. That's not giving our altcoins a good support. As BTC and Ethereum do pull back, our altcoins start bleeding now. If we look at Ethereum, we can clearly see that Ethereum is now also out of trend. Ethereum came down very strong and is taking support from our yellow line, which is a very strong support from our historical data 4012. Overall, if we look at AXS, we've been seeing XRP making some moves yesterday. XRP made a nice move. If you look at it from here, it was about trading at 6.1 and went all the way to 93 cents. If we look at AR is pumping at this moment as we speak, but still is sideways between 51 and 38. We can't expect much movement to be going on there. We can even see Solana is coming Solana is coming down very strong. We know that Solana was making a head and shoulders in day time frame, and it was time for Solana to finish its rally. This was the first shoulder, this was the other one, then this was the last. We never completed the shoulder because the neckline was never completed, but yet now we are coming down. We're seeing that pattern is in play right now. We can also see a double top here from which we can see a M pattern also forming. Avax is in a very good position to buy. If we look at Avax looks still very good in the day time frame. Let's go back into 1 hour so we can see things more in detail. If we look at EGLD is also coming back from all the time high of $314. FTM is in a strong pullback. KSM, a lot of coins are in a very strong pullback. There's not much happening in the market, but I wanted to share the coins that you can buy right now and are in a good position. The first one I would say is Mana. You can start off buying Mana. Mana is in a good position right now. As we know, Mana has a very strong resistance right here, so we can DCA and probably start buying a nice bag for Mana from here onwards. Stacks is a very good coin, has a very strong fundamentals, good position to buy from here. Similar situation for Super, Zil, Sand, Nair, and you can also go for CRB. These are some coins that you can buy right now in these positions. They are consolidating and they look like very in good situations. If we look at Ship has begun to pump again, which is a big alarm. I ranked that alarm yesterday in our private groups, because every time Ship pumps, either we're going to be seeing an upside or a downside coming. Let's have a quick look at BTC and Ethereum and finish our today's video. Tomorrow we're going to be having our special Saturday NFT show. This is going to be an exciting news in that Saturday NFT show, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned, do tune in for tomorrow's Saturday NFT show. If we look at BTC right now, BTC is still in a strong pullback. We are still in these zones. We are sideways between 46 and 51. We've been trading here for the last few days now. I'm still expecting a similar movement like this, where we can go up, get rejected, or go up, or we can go up and get rejected and then come down. So for now, coming down situation looks more than coming up situation. For me, I would say next zones will be 44, 41. These are the zones we have to look at, since we've already been bouncing from 47, and this wasn't the first bounce. We have already bounced 1, 2, 3. This was the third, and we're gonna be bouncing on very soon the fourth time. So that's all for today's video, guys. Be very careful trading on this weekend. The weekend looks quite dangerous to be trading. Market can go any side, but it looks like it will probably go down looking at the charts. So take care, have a great weekend, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section. We're gonna be having a lot of amazing videos coming soon, so I hope you guys like all of that, and you can always reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. And have a great weekend. Bye bye.